Good morning, everybody. We're delighted to have you back in school. It's a very important video about how we can keep everybody safe on your return to school. The main way of minimising the spread of Covid-19 and keeping us all safe in school is by social distancing. This is currently 2 metres in school and will remain at 2 metres until the end of term, even if national guidance changes. This means you taking personal responsibility for remaining 2 metres apart and following all the guidance and notices on the walls and on the floor, as well as listening carefully to the guidance given verbally. This includes a one-way system in school, which must be followed at all times. Everyone will be asked to wash their hands for 20 seconds at the start of the day, and there is ample hand sanitizer and anti-back wipes in classrooms and other spaces that you may use. You will be shown or told what your responsibility is in each space. Please do not remove anything, cleaning fluids, tissues or hand sanitizers from any area. For pupils, there is obviously no opportunities for free time and you should not loiter in any area. You will need to be escorted to the toilet by a staff member, and again, hands must be washed for 20 seconds after using the toilet. Although many of you will have missed your friends and experienced loneliness during lockdown, this provision is about helping you to re-engage in learning, and so you must not expect opportunities to socialise. This should be followed up outside of school, and national guidance must be followed until further notice, including not travelling to school with your friends or socialising with them outside the school gates. We operate a catch it, bin it, kill it approach. And so any used tissues must be placed in lidded bins using an anti-back wipe to open the bin. This wipe can then be put into a non-lidded bin and hands can then be sanitised. You should have watched the travel safety video before coming into school, but we will show this again after this film just to ensure that everybody is clear. You must follow this advice. Masks do not need to be worn in school, and anybody that feels anxious about must speak to the head teacher first. Every day, pupils can only bring one school bag, a water bottle, a pen and pencil, and a mask for public transport and double bags if appropriate. Pupils who have ordered lunch will be given this as they leave the school site. Exercise books and/or paper will be provided for work in school. These must not be taken home. Again, teachers will give you further guidance. Please make sure that your clothes are washed daily at the highest possible temperature and also dried properly. You must arrive at school at the required time, or you may not be able to enter, as we have to stagger entry into school. Attendance is expected every day that you are due in, or you must call the appropriate number to report absence. Please immediately report to an adult if you have any symptoms of Covid-19 that develop in school. And in all circumstances, you do not come to school if you develop symptoms of Covid-19 at home. Your parents or a family member must immediately contact the school. At the end of the school day, you will be dismissed by a staff member and should go straight home following the guidance given. Some of you may have individual interviews with staff members, but you will be informed about this well in advance. Significant work has gone into making the school safe for our community. And if any of you are unable to follow the guidance, you will not be able to come to school. This would mean for pupils that you are creating more gaps in your learning in the run-up to your final exams. We have updated various policies, including the behaviour policy, and as well as not allowing you to come to school, a serious health and safety breach, such as spitting, could lead to a permanent exclusion. We know this is a lot to take in, but your safety is the most important thing. Please do follow the guidance, be sensible, and ask if you need help, or let us know immediately if you don't feel safe at any time. Obviously, we care about each and every one of you. We can't pop in the classroom to say hello, so your contact with us and with each other will be limited. We can't wait to have you back in a more normal way in September. But until then, please make sure you understand and follow all the advice and guidance. Thank you for listening.